Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Now, this second videos of playlist, uh, how to build and how to use API REST with Postman. Okay, in this videos, uh, we start um, our tutorial. Okay, first, you can create your Laravel project in your device. Okay. In this playlist, I use the Laravel 12, and I'm install the Laravel project, not with terminal. Okay. And first, if you don't know how to install and how to create Laravel project, you can search in your browser uh, Laravel install install and you can running uh and you can running and following this way to install application. If you like to install your application with GMD or with terminal, this is why you can read at our original website. You can see this Mac OS, Windows version or Linux. You just copy this code and you paste in your GMD. And if you don't know GMD, this GMD and search GMD, and this is coming from, you can install the Laravel project with this terminal. But I don't like to install Laravel project and all build a Laravel project with terminal. Okay. Uh, I like to build the Laravel project with the Laravel Heart. Yeah, this application. Um, in the videos before this, I um I show to you how to use the Laravel Heart and how to install the Laravel Heart. You can show back to um, my playlist, or I show you again how to install with Laravel Heart. The first, you can open your browser and you search Heart Heart Laravel.com, and you install this one of this install in your device. And after you install it at your device, uh, can open and okay, you can open this application, and this is a dashboard page, and go to sites. After this, you can add a new project, and this is a law parameter. You can give another name for your project. Okay, and if you finish it, install the Laravel project, open your code editor, and I'm usually use the VS Code, Visual Studio Code, because it's a common code editor. Yeah, open your code editor. Oh, I'm open this. Okay. Uh, no, no. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. This is a first page. You look it if you open your project with VS Code. Ah, before we started setting and the configuration at this page, we must create database diagram of tables. Okay, this is simple tables and simple migration. I create it and since I use the DB diagram and you can use another tools. What? But I like to use this tools. Yeah. Okay. Uh, I add a comment for description. Okay. We have a table user and we have a table post and we have a comments. Yes, this is a simple table and simple migration of the portal Brita. Yeah, news portal. Uh, what the function? Why we must create diagram of table in the first before we started a project. Because with diagram tables, we know uh, we know um, the we know about we know about tables we created and we need it at our project. Okay, so first in the table users we have email, username, password, first name, last name, and timestamp. And for your information, if you build project with Laravel Heart, you get four uh, tables default form Laravel Heart, and the one of this four is user. Table user is by default. You get it for if you create your Laravel project with Laravel Heart. Yeah, but uh, you can configuration again the columns at the user tables and the configuration uh, pokoknya sesuaikan dengan apa yang kamu butuhkan lah gitu. Oke. Okay. And second we have the post table and this post table uh, after this I will show you how to create a migration tables at the Laravel project. Okay. Read a post in the table post we have a title, new content, author, and timestamp, and the relationship the post and user mm, is one to many. One user can have many posts, but one post just for one user, and the relationship for post to comment is the one to many. Yeah, one post can have many comments, and one comment just for one post. Yeah. If it's a relationship, post to comment one to many, user to post one to many, and user to comment is one to many. Okay. Okay. This is a relationship for the tables. And okay, uh, we start open our project at VS Code, yes, Code Editor. The first, you must configuration at the file.env. Okay. After this, you go to the DB connection. By default, DB connection, if you use a Laravel 12 or Laravel 10, 11, and 12, the by default not MySQL, but is the SQLite. And DB host, DB port, database, username, and password is comments. First, you must to uncomment this section, this part, and you change SQLite to MySQL. Okay, and in this part, you can uh, uh, you can give or you can create your name file of a database. And after you configuration in this part, open your terminal and uh, write PHP artisan migrate. Of this, you get message from Laravel. The database Ultra API Laravel does not exist on the MySQL connection. This message tell to me about in the MySQL we doesn't has um this folder and we can to create it. Would you like to create it? And click yes and write yes. After this, you get a new uh, folders at your um, database. Yeah. And if you like to open your database, you must use the Laragon. If you use the Laravel Heart in the free version, because if you need to use MySQL database with Laravel Heart, you must to buy pricing version. Yeah, you don't get it in the free version, but you can add Laragon to open MySQL database. Okay, just install Laragon and configuration and click start all or this is one. MySQL, you can start MySQL, and after this, uh, you can open uh, my PHP admin at your browser. Okay, this okay we can get a new folder tutorial API Laravel. Okay, uh, after this configuration, mm, close this file and go to the database folder and um, go to in configuration folder and you can open user file migration and you configure and you change in this part uh, with this part is the table. Okay. Now unique is I like to create an email and username unique, and you don't uh you cannot create two usernames same. Okay, and passport, first name and last name. And in the last name, I add a new label. Is the last name can null. After this, you can create a new file migration with and you can open your terminal and write in your terminal PHP artisan make migration create post table and click enter at your keyboard. After this, you can get a new file at the migration folders. Click Control and click this part and this URL. Of this, this is uh, post file migration. Add your columns. You need it. This is one. I need a title, new content, author. Title with string, new content, text, and author. After this, you must add forget k between table post and table user. And this is forget k author reference column is ID on the table user. And after this, open your terminal and write in your terminal PHP artisan migrate and after done uh, the relationship users and post is ready. Okay, and the last write PHP make migration create a comments table because we need comment table and open this and you can see the tables and the diagram. The comment tables has ID, post ID, user ID, comment content, and timestamp. Okay, you can add it assigned to big integer, post ID, user ID, the text, timestamp, and soft relax. And you must configuration the relationship, the post, a comment and the post, comment and the user. This is forget key, post ID, a reference at ID columns on the table post, and the forget key user ID has a reference columns ID on the user table. And it's to finish at the change columns at this table, you can uh, write PHP artisan migrate or uh, you can write PHP artisan migrate fresh if uh, you don't get a chance after you running PHP artisan migrate. Yeah, you can try with a PHP artisan migrate fresh. And after this, you can go to PHP MyAdmin, yeah, and open the tutorial API Laravel, and you have a user table, post table, and the comments table. Okay, uh, before we build API project, we must have data in the in the database, and I like to add data in database with a manual way. Yeah. First, open add the users, and uh, if you want to add this one, you can. Oh, wait. Wait. English. Wait. Oh, eh, we don't need it. Okay. First, after you open Astaghfirullahaladzim. Okay. After this, mm, insert the new data and email, a username. You can add the username and the password. And the password I have, um, you can open the bike generator because I like to use a bike uh code, and this is manual way, and in usually you can create automatic bike uh, password with code in code editor. But we try it in the next video. Okay, you can rush here and copy the hash, and you can um, put in this table and the first name, and it go again, and you get a new data. And let's add the new data and the post. Then this one, uh, do it again. Insert a title, a new content. If new content, you can do a following me. Yeah, I am open the resources of views and the welcome back, and you can do it. Lorem, uh 300, and then okay, can copy this part and add the new content. I can select author as big integer, this author, and you can click go. And after this, you have two data at the tables post. Okay, in this videos we have a new data, and we can start a project with API. We have a Postman and we have a data in the database. Okay. Uh, the uh, okay. In this video, I don't like to start project with Postman, and project with Postman is the next video after this. Okay. Uh, Thank you for your watching. In this video, we learn how to create migration tables and how to uh, create a diagram tables and how to add a manual data at database. Okay. Uh, Thank you for watching, and I hope we meet again in the next videos. Uh, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time. Bye bye.